6 o'clock in the evening, and we are out exploring. We've been staying in Bellingham, Washington, and we've had a few people tell us that we had to go see Mount Baker. And we were kind of like, oh, it's an hour and a half drive to get out there. But then we were like, what else are we gonna do?
Yeah.
So
we're gonna go see Mount Baker.
things up here that look like Christmas tree farms, and I was like, oh yeah, that sign actually says tree farm. Those look like Christmas trees right up there out Ryan's window. And I was like, huh, I guess the crop up here is Christmas trees, and they gotta come from somewhere, right? Christmas tree parking.
There's a sign a ways back that said Christmas tree parking.
Was that where they parked their Christmas trees?
I guess. That's what it sounds like.
We've made it to a place called Silver Lake.
Silver Lake. Yeah.
Not the one in Los Angeles. I'm guessing you can rent these cabins?
Yeah, they're part of the campground, I think.
That's awesome.
I think because it listed campground and cabins.
Huh.
But
I was like right here on the water's edge. Something that we are not unfamiliar with. Ooh. Somebody ahead of us?
Must be.
That is a lot of water coming down, and it's a really short hike from the parking lot. I wouldn't even call it a hike. It's like you park and you get out and you walk down this incline, and there you are. Like, I was just at the waterfall, and now I'm at the parking lot. Windy.
A little bit.
Just a little bit windy. Oh boy. Nah.
This one's gonna be a big horseshoe turn. Oh, it's a 15-mile-an-hour turn.
Oh boy, here we go.
These are the ones that they say if you're driving a long RV or something, that these are the ones you see your own taillights on.
Yeah. That ain't worth nothing. Sorry.
It's helpful.
Core strength, engage.
4 miles. We're racing the sunset.
My really bad haircut is growing out, and it's growing out like a bad haircut would.
A long bad haircut?
Yeah. Now I got kind of scalped and bowl cutted, and now it's just a long bowl cut. Give me the Lloyd Christmas.
Have to go get it cut again.
Oh boy.
See if they can do it the same way.
No. Yeah, go in with a picture of Jim Carrey from Dumb and Dumber and be like, can you do this?
Do you have a metal popcorn bowl?
Thank you. That's... Oh boy, hair grows, right? Wow, look how green it is though. Beautiful. It's glowing.
Looks like there are ski lifts and stuff right there. Or something, buildings of some sort.
This is a very bumpy road.
Mount Baker ski area.
Is that a bird? Is that like a sculpture of a bird?
That's Mr. Baker himself.
Oh, it's two
And
birds.
his friend.
Oh, look at how close we are to the edge. Yeah.
Don't drop your phone.
In the meantime, look at how pretty. Mount Baker's right there. Well, we got back.
Huh?
We saw Mount Baker. And we obviously stayed until the sun went down.